Revell model car guys on here, and I'm just coming to you today. I just finished up the other day. I finished up the Ron Stewart build, so now it's time to show the reveal on the POS Ferrari. Yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. Is not a very good build, but I'm going to show the reveal on it, so I'll turn it around here and show you what I've done. Alright guys, this is it. This is the reveal of the Revell 1/16 scale twin turbo Ferrari Testarossa. And I will remove this and show you it's a Revell kit, but it's actually a Fujimi mold. And here it is. This is the POS Ferrari. Like I said, the reason why I call it the POS, because nothing went together right. It's warped. The instructions are vague, and parts just don't even fit the way they're supposed to. But this is it. It was a fight. I've got smudges on the glass where I was having trouble because it was warped, trying to get the glass to set in there, and I was hoping to straighten the body back out, but really to no avail. I just give up on it, but I didn't even take my time or nothing with it. This is what it is. It is what it is. But this is it. The hood opens. Man, it's got the spare in there. It's nothing spectacular. The door will open if I can get it there. Yeah, the door opens. You can see the interior in there. The seats move. Yeah, I'll have pictures at the end of this video. See if I can get that snap back up in there. I'll tell you this. See the gaps right here, nothing goes together right. And then I'll show you the back. You can see the warpage in the back of this thing. But with that being said, I couldn't even put in the back windshield. None of this area right here, nothing would even go in there. Wouldn't fit, wouldn't line up, wouldn't do nothing. Even if this car wasn't warped, I don't even see how it even would go in there. I tried test fit and I tried everything. Couldn't even get to work, so I just left it out. So with this on here, you're not even going to know, other than the thing being warped. But there's the engine. It's wired. You know, it's got good details. It's got turbos, you know. But the kit is just pretty terrible. You can see I got the glue here, trying to get everything in. Everything is warped. These things don't even go underneath there like they're supposed to. The window frames. The thing's terrible. There's the bottom. Got a hole in it. Got a place where the batteries went if you wanted to make it motorized. I mean, I'm not that good of a modeler to really go in and do a lot of that. I can't correct the warpage and stuff. I've tried everything possible to my knowledge, but this is it. And stick around, and there will be pictures of the build. Happy Easter to everybody. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.